Hi, this is John Primus from VMworld 2010, sitting here with Rob Zylowski from Unidesk. How you doing, Rob?
I'm good. How are you, John?
Yep, very good. Can you share a little background on Unidesk and
Sure.
how the show's going for you guys?
Yeah, actually, it's been an excellent show. I'm from Unidesk. We do management of VDI desktops integrated with things like VMware View, which is why we're here at the show. We actually just went GA with our product about 2.5 months ago, so this is a very big deal for us. A lot of people know about our stuff, but they haven't actually started using it. Now we have customers, we have people out there who are buying our stuff, so we're trying to turn more and more people on, of the 17,000 people here this week, so that they at least know what Unidesk is when they go to look at their VDI initiatives.
That's great. And how's the customer reaction been to the shipping product and what they've seen at your booth?
It's actually been very good. You know, it's a 1.0 product, and we do a lot of things that can't be done any other way. The Unidesk value prop is to do pretty much what you can do with View Composer, in fact, of saving storage and managing your environment from a single place, but be able to have true persistence of desktops. So you can make users administrators and have them install software, and that persists through an update to applications and an update to the OS of a VDI desktop. And you can't really do that with the other applications that are out there that also help you save storage and help you manage the environment. So we have a unique position. We don't have a lot of customers yet. I think we're up to 15 customers in the 2 months, but we're getting there.
That's great. And where do you see when you're speaking to customers, what's sort of top of mind for them when you speak to them about VDI and their VDI initiatives?
Sure. I mean, you know, it's interesting because VDI is a little different. I think a lot of customers that are coming to VMware, certainly from shows, had been server customers where there's this incredible ROI reduction in hardware that's very easy to show. And the VDI sale is a very different sale. There are some use cases where ROI has a definite impact and you can save a lot of money. There are a lot of use cases where what you're achieving isn't that easy to quantify. It's one of those things where you know you're going to get a lot of benefits. You might know what those benefits are. You can't necessarily put a dollar value to them until you start doing it to see what kind of OpEx savings that you'll have. So that's really, I think, where most customers are confused now. They really want to understand, what is it going to cost them? How does it work? How can they handle their particular use cases? And if they're server people and not desktop people, they don't really necessarily understand the dynamics of how performance works and what's important. So we get a lot of questions in a lot of different areas from people that might not understand the particulars of desktop virtualization compared to server, and we're working through that with them to make them understand that.
Yeah, we find the same thing. Do you find that customers, that you have discussions with customers around the number of products that have to be brought together to deliver the solution? So again, going back to server virtualization, it was a hypervisor. It was sort of one game in town. You pick VMware and deploy it on top of that. Desktop virtualization starts bringing in potentially multiple vendor technologies, and that complexity and confusion. Do you find that that is also slowing the adoption, or?
I think it does, and I think it's good for a company like GlassHouse because there are a number of options out there, and it can be very complicated. So it's good to get a good partner that really understands the space to help you navigate through that. Whether you do it for a couple-month engagement to really make you understand the market and the products, or for a longer-term engagement to implement. But a lot of people do need help in the options that are available for the whole VDI space, and there's so many of them. And there's a lot of different products. You know, there's the products that do hosted desktop virtualization like VDI, and then there are the products that do kind of synchronized virtualization more to your laptop, et cetera. And clients don't know the differences, and there's too many products. So using a good partner is very good. Unidesk is totally channel-based, so we do help people, but mostly we're helping our partners to help the clients.
Okay, great. Well, I appreciate the time here, and I hope the rest of the show goes well for you, and we look forward to the version 2 of your product.
Thank you. You as well. Enjoy.
Signing off from VMworld, and check back in periodically for the latest video blogs. Thank you.